So here, like today's topic we'll be watching on list. So list is one of the data type. There are four data types in Python: list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. Strings also is a data type. So today we'll be learning on list. So list is a data type which will be assigned to a variable with it can have any type of data inside the list. So for example, L1, let us consider as a list. List will always be in square bracket. I can give a name also I can give a number, I can even give boolean, I can even add a decimal point also. So basically list can have any type of data. So if I just print off L1, so you just see that okay, L1, I put caps L1. So you just see that it print all the data types, all the elements it printed. So list will accept all the data types. It can have string, integer, float, and boolean also. So there is difference between list and array. As I said, list will be it can contain any type of datas. But an array, if you are forming an array, it should have only one single type of array. Like for example, if you're having an array of strings, it should have only strings in it. So numbers means numbers should be there. Boolean means only Boolean type should be there. They can't add the different types inside an array. So basically, there's just the difference between list and array. So there are many methods in list. So you can append, add. List is basically you can modify, you can create, add, append, modify, delete, all possible ways you can do with the list. So a list can have multiple values. I said multiple values in the sense the same thing can be repeated again and again. So if there is 23, no, I can repeat 23 again and again. So there is nothing is going to change. Just it'll keep on adding. So like that, list can be done. So list also list also has some properties. So which we'll be seeing now. So let us. I'm giving a new list wherein so many things are there. So this special constructor called list. Like for example, let us keep it as tuple here. So tuple will be enclosed with parentheses as we know that. So if I just want to convert this into a list, I can use list of and then I can use L1 here. So this will convert that tuple into a list. So just if I print L2, so you get to know that. See, it changed as tuple here. I mean, it changed tuple to a list. If let us see if I print L1, so L1 will be a tuple, right? So it will be enclosed with parentheses. See here, there is a difference between list and tuple. This is a inbuilt constructor which is for list, for converting anything, like to converting list to tuple, sets to tuple. So many things can be done with this, as we said. Same like strings, same like strings. Even list also can be accessed through index. So if I just print L1 of 1, okay, 1, let's start with 1. So it will just print first for index where one first index is that I will be printing. So if it is -1, if I put and just print, it will go last element. Same like string here, we can use even what to say, a slicing operator also can be used 2 to 5. So if I just print, see, cherry, orange, kiwi, cherry, orange, kiwi, it's printed. So same thing, I can make a reverse of the list also. Like for example, if I just keep -1, so if I just print reverse of the list, I see, simple, right? So there's many inbuilt methods also. Like we can use, like in strings we learned like in operator. So if apple in L1, so this is the condition. So I'll just print the true. Print true. So we know that apple is there inside there. So if we just print it is true only because apple is there and apple is there. Content is there, right? So same thing, we can use loops also, like for L1. So L1. So let's just print I. So if I just print now, the elements which is inside the list will get printed one by one. So this is like same like a list tuples. I mean this list same like strings. List also works the same way. So you can append also. Like if I want to append, just mention like ln dot append of any other. Let us put jackfruit. So if I just print, oh, you have to print it and I have to print again. So print L1. So if I just run, jackfruit has been added to the end of the element. So when we append the present element which you are entering now, it will be entered at the last. So now list one is given. So there are many properties in list also. So we can even change the element inside the list. Like for example, let it be print. So if we just want to change one of 2 to 4. So if we just want to change with this. So if we just print now, what do you think will be the output? See in the second and third index, the element will be changed. So now we can even append to single element also. So if I just want to append to a single second element, so just for print, see at the second index, blackcurrant and watermelon will be added. Then orange, everything will be continued. So later, so this can be done using list theory. So you can even there are many methods. When appending, as we said, appending it will go to the last element. So it just I'll show you l1 dot append of. So this append of, sorry, delete l1 append of. See, but I have given here a single list. This is called as two-dimensional list. So if I want to access like this type of list, like let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is in seventh place. If you want to seventh place in blackcurrant, I can access like giving index 7, comma 1. So if you just print here, sorry, I can give like 7, close, open. So this is called two-dimensional list. So if you just print here, so you can see watermelon, because seventh element we added as a blackcurrant. Then we added as like for your convenience. Let me print first L1. So if I just print L1, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, seventh element and first index. So seventh element and first index will be printed here. So this is how you access the two-dimensional list. So there is something called as extend also. So print one will repeat. So L1 dot. If you just want to add this L2 at the end of the L1, so you can use extend of L2. So if you just print L1 now, see black red watermelon has been added after this. So this can be done. Also, you can just add with plus operator. So if you add with this, also same thing, same output will be kept. So this is how concatenating to like joining two lists can be done. Yeah, same. You can remove also. Like for example, L1 dot remove of. I want to remove Sherry. CH here. So if I just print Sherry is removed. So there is another method called as pop. So just if I give pop a function and then if you print, you will be getting, the last element will be removed. So wait, something error here. Okay, fine. I have to confirm. So there is another method called as pop. Just if you print, the last element will be deleted. Same thing if we give index. So now the element where the index is mentioned, so that will get deleted. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So key is deleted. So here, this is how pop works. There are other method like we can just for deleting entire lists. Just mention delete. So it's already deleted. So here here to be like there is no L1 element. So if you print, it will not show. So L1 is deleted, no? So there is nothing like L1 now. So delete clear will just clear and L1 dot clear. So L1 dot clear. It will just clear L1 with an empty list. See, empty list has been done. So same thing. There's another called a sort sort of. We just print. It will be in alphabetical order: A, B, C, then K, M, N. So it just goes in alphabetical order. So if we give numbers, it will go like ascending. So it will go one by one, like from small to large elements. So there is reverse also, reverse of self. So if I just print from backside to print, so mango, melon, so like that. So these are the inbuilt functions or methods for a list. So these are the inbuilt functions and methods in a list. There are many methods. So exploring is good for learning a new for learning. So keep on exploring on the types of methods of lists. There is some interesting exercise I'll be showing you now. I'm sharing it. So here's the question. So this is an exercise for you guys. So find the smallest and the largest elements of a list of a given list. So your list has been given. So you need to find largest and the smallest. I'll give you a, I'll solve it for largest. Then smallest is in your hand. Largest. So I'm finding largest equal to a of 0. I'm initializing it to 0 first element. So sorry, L1 of 0. So L1 of 0. So first largest element will be like let me assume as 2. So then index I is equal to 0. So while I is less than L1 of L1. So while it is less than the length, then I will be like if largest sorry if L1 of I if it is greater than largest, then I will just swap largest is equal to L1 of I. So I have to increment I or else I plus equal to 1. I have to increment I or else while loop will be keep on repeating. So if I print largest, say 313, same thing you have to try for smallest element. So find the smallest element in this given array. Thank you guys. And there is a concept called list comprehension which I have made in another video, so I'll be mentioning in the description.